Welcome back to Daybreak OC. I'm Shali Zamarodi.
And I am Ben Aaron here with Pete Weitzner and a surprise guest, Steve Peasley, here hanging out with us today.
Yes, we needed him today.
Yeah.
We did.
Absolutely. Usually in these times we have Steve Peasley on, these uncertain financial times. It's Thursday, but Thursday became Monday because of everything that is going on Wall Street.
Boy, big weekend, just like last weekend, if you remember, with Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac.
Yeah.
Break it down for us, like people like me who have no idea what's going on in the world of finance. Just everybody, how is this affecting the normal everyday person?
It probably won't affect the normal everyday person too much.
Because I'm hearing words like Great Depression and
Well,
stock market crash and everything like that.
That's hysterics. Nope.
Okay.
This actually, I will predict that this will be very good for the market because stock markets hate uncertainty. Everybody was thinking, is Lehman going out of business? Is Merrill Lynch going to go out? Now we know. Is Freddie Mac and Fannie Mae what's going to happen?
I read a story today that said anyone who hasn't fessed up yet better fess up right now. Let's show the numbers.
Let's go on the numbers and see what the damage is this morning so far.
I think more modest maybe, Steve, than you thought it might be?
Not too bad. I'm expecting 500 points.
Of course, there is several hours of trading to go.
True.
But
down 256.
But just by comparison, we go back to Black Monday. 20 years ago, we were down 20% on the Dow, and here we're down just
And if
2%.
it was 20%, just so everybody get a perspective, that the Dow would be down 2,300 points.
Oh, wow.
That was one Monday in 1987. That's how far it went down. So put it in perspective, this is not bad at all.
Now, ACK was Bank of America acquiring Merrill Lynch. Isn't that a good thing, though?
It's a very good thing because now we know Bank of America is financially healthy. Merrill Lynch borrowed way too much money. That's a very good thing. That consolidation is very good. Lehman, you know why I like this? It's because it shows that the government is willing to let companies who take too much risk go down.
We didn't have the Freddie Mac, Fannie Mae taxpayer bailout, and we didn't have even the Indy Mac.
That's right. This is a good thing. I know people don't think so, but this is a good thing.
So people should not rush out to the banks, take all their money out and put it under the mattress or anything like that.
No,
Start freaking out.
To Ben's point, if you had money in Washington Mutual today, Washington Mutual is teetering. Their stock's at about $2.
Yep. If you have money in Washington Mutual, as long as you have no more than $100,000, because that's FDIC insured, you're okay. Lehman, Merrill Lynch, they're insured for $500,000. So even if they went bankrupt, you still have $500,000.
Situations always just freak me out. I mean, it's kind of like you read in the press that this is like the stock market's down, everything's going crazy right now. But you're saying as a specialist, as an expert, this is an okay thing. It's not a terrible
Matter
catastrophe.
of fact, if you have money to invest in the stock market, put it in.
You know one of the oldest maxims on Wall Street, Ben Shali, when there's blood on the streets,
yes, I've heard
time to buy.
Yeah.
But let me ask you, because people still say, when is the bottom? And the thing that will cure all this, or start to cure, Alan Greenspan said it yesterday, when home prices firm.
Yep. And that won't happen. I think we talked about it last week. It won't happen for another year, that the home prices firm. But the stock market will start to rally 6 months or more before that happens.
Regardless of what happens first Tuesday in November.
That's right. That's right.
Well, I hope you're right, Steve.
We do. Thank you so much, KPP Financial President Steve Peasley. Check out his website at investtalk.com. He'll be back on Thursday, so if you have a question for him, maybe applying to what's happening right now, email it to us. Our address is news@kdoc.tv. Thanks for being here. He feels so much better.
I was nervous.
He was really nervous.
Dr. Peasley was in.